and Information and Communications Technology, or ICT. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the amazing world of multimedia and Information and Communications Technology, or ICT, and how they're shaping our 21st century. But so let's start. So first, what is multimedia? Multimedia refers to the integration of various media formats like text, audio, images, video, and animation into a single digital presentation or application, offering a more engaging and immersive experience than traditional single medium content. Next, let's talk access to information. The internet is a vast library at our fingertips. Need to research a topic for school? Want to learn a new skill? Looking for the best recipe for chocolate chip cookies? It's all there, waiting to be discovered. Multimedia makes learning engaging too. Videos, podcasts, interactive websites. Learning has never been so fun. But it's not just about learning. It's about creativity and self-expression. Multimedia tools allows us to create and share our own content, from writing blogs and making videos like this one to designing websites and creating digital art. It's a fantastic way to showcase your talents and connect with like-minded people. And let's not forget the economic impact. ICT has created countless jobs and opportunities, from software developers and web designers to social media managers and to digital marketers. It's driving innovation, transforming industries, making the world a more connected and efficient place. Of course, there are challenges. We need to be mindful of things like digital literacy, online safety, and responsible technology use. But the benefits of multimedia and ICT far outweigh the risk. They're empowering us, connecting us, and shaping our future in an incredible way. So, what are your thoughts? How has multimedia and ICT impacted your life? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech-focused videos. See you next time.